Hey there, welcome back to Neoscience-Hub.
8 arms, 9 brains. Octopuses are amazing creatures. They are incredibly intelligent, but not in the way we usually think. Humans have one brain that controls everything. Octopuses are different. They have a central brain in their head, but they also have clusters of nerves in each of their 8 arms. This means their arms can think for themselves. Imagine your arms acting on their own, reaching for objects, feeling textures, all without you consciously telling them to. That's what it's like for an octopus. This unique distributed intelligence allows them to process information and react to their surroundings much faster than we can. An octopus is independent arms. Each arm of an octopus is packed with the sensors. These sensors tell the arm about its environment. It can feel if something is smooth or rough, hot or cold. The arm also has taste receptors, so it can even tell if something is good to eat. This means that an octopus doesn't need to wait for its brain to process information. If an arm finds food, it can grab it immediately. The arm doesn't need to ask the brain for permission first. This independent action makes octopuses incredibly efficient hunters. Learning by doing the octopus way. Octopuses are masters of trial and error. They learn by trying things out and seeing what works. If something doesn't work, they remember and try a different approach next time. This type of learning is very effective for them. Scientists have observed octopuses solving complex puzzles to get to food. They can figure out how to unscrew jars, navigate mazes, and even mimic the behavior of other animals. This ability to learn and adapt is the testament to their remarkable intelligence, a liver, a treat, and a scientific breakthrough. In 1959, scientists conducted a groundbreaking experiment with an octopus. They wanted to see if the octopus could learn to associate a specific action with a reward. The octopus was placed in a tank with a lever. If the octopus pulled the lever, it would receive a tasty treat. Amazingly, the octopus quickly learned to pull the lever to get its reward. This experiment showed that octopuses are capable of learning through conditioning, much like dogs learning tricks. This was a major discovery, proving that octopuses are not just instinctual creatures, but capable of complex learning. Meet Heidi, the star of octopus intelligence. More recently, Professor David Shear and his daughter L'Oreal worked with an octopus named Heidi. Heidi was a very special octopus. She lived in a tank in their home, which allowed them to observe her behavior closely. L'Oreal spent hours interacting with Heidi, playing games and offering enrichment activities. They formed a close bond, and Heidi began to recognize L'Oreal and respond to her presence in unique ways. One experiment involved a string of light and a buzzer. The string was attached to a light switch outside Heidi's tank. When Heidi pulled the string, the light would turn on and the buzzer would sound. At first, Heidi seemed startled by the light and sound, but she was also curious. She kept going back to the string, touching it and pulling it with her suckers. She quickly realized that she was the one causing the light and the buzzer to go off. Heidi's actions may seem simple, but they are actually quite profound. They show that Heidi was able to understand cause and effect. She learned that her actions of pulling the string had consequences, the light and the buzzer. This ability to understand cause and effect is a sign of higher level thinking. It's something that we don't usually see in invertebrates. Heidi's experiment showed us that octopuses are even more intelligent than we thought. The experiments with Heidi and the liver-pulling octopus challenge a traditional understanding of intelligence. They show that intelligence can manifest in many different ways. Just because an animal's brain is structured differently from ours, it doesn't mean that they aren't capable of complex thought. Octopuses, with their distributed intelligence, remind us that the animal kingdom is full of surprises. They force us to expand our definition of what it means to be intelligent. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of octopus intelligence. There is still so much more to learn about these fascinating creatures as we continue to study them. We all sure to make even more amazing discoveries about their minds and their abilities. The future of octopus research is bright, and it is sure to lead to a deeper understanding of intelligence, not just in the ocean, but in the universe around us.
Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy.